It can be confusing narrowing down your options when it comes to where you want to get the floor plans for your new home. You're hearing different things from different builders about what documentation you need and who should be the person to draft it all up. That's why we're going to talk through 4 different ways you can get floor plans for your new home. First, you could purchase a set of standard floor plans off a website such as houseplans.com. These plans are available for as low as $2,000, but it's important to keep in mind that these plans will still need to be engineered depending on building code in your locality. While this may seem like the most cost-effective option, the necessary adjustments that you will need to make for these generic plans to work on your lot can lead to significant additional costs that many people do not expect when going this route. The second route is to purchase a set of plans from a builder with an in-house designer. Some builders have home or interior designers on their team that claim that they can draft up the drawings and plans you need for your new home. But these are not the same level of plans provided by an architect. This option is provided in-house by the builder, so it is usually cost-effective, but it has its limitations. Home designers can be helpful with determining the layout of the home, the materials, and the overall aesthetics. Generally, this option does not allow for too many modifications and customizations outside of the planned footprint. The cost of this option will vary greatly, depending on the average cost of living in your area. The third option is to work with an architect or architecture firm, also known as Architect Bid Build. Architect Bid Build is when you hire an architect to create the full set of plans and then put it out to bid to several builders and choose the builder you want to build your home with. If you do not have an architect providing the necessary information via a full set of architectural floor plans, your builder will make decisions based on assumptions. This greatly increases the chances of 3 things: miscommunications, mistakes, and disappointment. For example, if your builder is going off floor plans alone, they won't know where the tile is meant to be cut off, what height the cabinets are supposed to sit, and several other crucial details that affect the way you live in and interact with your home. This option is nice if you have a particular architect or builder in mind that you would like to work with. Typically, an architecture firm will charge professional fees totaling 8 to 15% of the total construction cost. Fourth is to select an architect-led design-build firm to create your home plans as well as carry out the construction of the project. This option is great if you're looking for a single point of contact and don't want to have to coordinate between your architect and the builder. Because an architect-led design-build firm has their whole team under one roof, the cost of architectural plans are generally included in their base price. And that's it. Now you know 4 ways you can get floor plans for your new home. If you have any more questions about floor plans, leave them in the comments below and we will get back to you. If you want to know more about what goes into architectural plans, check out the video link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.